What are you doing? Why are you so interested in my wall? Huh? What are you doing? Hey, answer the question. What are you doing? Stop this. Hey, offer an explanation here. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? What is with you? Bungatron. Look at this. Look at this. Right here. This is the Bungatron. Right here. This is the Bungatron that seems very interested in my walls right now. I don't know why. Look at this Bungatron. Alright, shoot. Out of here. Hey. Get out of here. Hello. Stop this. Won't leave. The Bunga. Have mercy on our souls.